Nike is a premium sportswear company. They have been struggling over the last couple of years, so in today's video we want to evaluate whether or not this could be a potential buying opportunity. First of all, let's look at the numbers. Last year they made a revenue of $46 billion with a net income of $3.22 billion, which gives them a profit margin of around 7%, a bit lower than the historical margins. They are currently selling for $65 a share and a PE of 30. So this high PE would probably assume that they're currently struggling to make as much money as they did in the last couple of years, and that the market believes that a turnaround is possible. Now, whether or not this could be a buying opportunity, that is something that we're going to evaluate through looking at two different cases. First of all, a bear case. We are going to look over the next couple of 5 years, and for a bear case, we're going to assume that their struggling state continues, that their profit doesn't really go nowhere, maybe 1 year increases, then the next year decreases again, that the struggle continues, that their profit margins stay low, that they can't catch up to the competition and so on. They have been buying back shares quite a bit over the last couple of years, but in this case, of course, there wouldn't be any more money over to increase those buybacks. And for a PE, that's a bit difficult to assume, because for such a premium brand that is also struggling and not increasing their revenue in any kind, it's a bit difficult to find a PE. The average is around a 16, and I do think that Nike is still an above average company. So let's go with 17. This would take the stock price to around $41, and if bought at today's price, this would be a negative annualized return of almost 9%. But now let's look at a different case, at a bull case. Same 5 years, but this time they're going to increase their revenue again. 4% doesn't sound like a lot, but this would increase their revenue by around 22%, which would bring their revenue back up online to their previous high numbers. So that would be a good return over the next couple of 5 years. And of course, the profit margin could go back all the way up to the previous around, they sometimes reach 11%, but let's go with 10%. That was around most of the time their profit margin. And of course, more cash means buying back a couple of more shares. And I would give them a PE of, let's go with 21. I don't want to go too high with such a struggling company, but a return of Nike would probably give them a bit higher PE. So this would take the stock price to almost $100, around 97, with an annualized return of 8.41% if bought at today's price. If you combine these two cases, this would almost keep the stock price flat, only $4 increase, which over the next 5 years would be an annualized return of 1.23%. I personally own a very small position in Nike. A couple of months ago, when the stock price was even lower, I started buying. I'm definitely interested in the company and would like to own a couple of more shares, but at the current price, it is not justifiable for me to buy more. The risk is a bit too high. I would need a higher margin of safety, a more compelling story, and higher potential numbers in order to justify buying more shares. But of course, let me know what you guys think. I hope this video helped you to make a more informed decision, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.